So in the previous classes we already learned about the 5th generation of computers. So now we will know about the various computers that emerged from the Abacus various forms like Mark 1, ENIAC, UNIVAC, etc. So first we will know about Mark 1. So Mark 1 was the first automatic digital calculating device. That means it was the automatic controlled calculator, and it was developed in 1944 when first generation computers were in use. That means it was also used in war. It was a general purpose electromechanical computer, and also a first generation computer, and it was the first operating machine that can do long computations. So then next we will read about ENIAC. ENIAC means electronic numerical integrator and calculator. So it was also first general purpose computer, and it consisted of vacuum tubes. It was a large sized and heavy computer. So ENIAC was the first electronic general purpose digital computer, and it can also solve large numerical problems, and it was also the first generation computer, and the size was very large and heavy. So next we will read about UNIVAC. UNIVAC means Universal Automatic Computer. So UNIVAC came into existence in 1951. That is, it was started from 1951 and had faster speed over previous computers. So UNIVAC was faster than the previous computers, and UNIVAC was used in from 1951, and it was the first electronic digital computer, and it was a data processing computer also. So now you look at the picture. This was the picture of UNIVAC. So its speed was very fast, so it was the fastest business machine of that time, and it was designed for business application. So next we will read about ERMA, that is Electronic Recording Machine Accounting. This was developed in 1959 by General Electric Corporation. So this ERMA was a system or a processing system. It was a computer technology that was developed by General Electric Corporation, and the ERM system employed magnetic ink character recognition, that is MICR, as the means to capture data from the checks, and introduced automation in banking that continued with ATM machines in 1974. So it was a processing system, and it was developed by General Electric Corporation, and also used in banking and the ATM machines. So it was started to use in the ATM machines from 1974. So next we will read about IC. IC means integrated circuit. So we already learned about IC, and the first germanium IC was made by Kilby in 1958. So IC is a set of electronic circuits on one small flat piece of semiconductor material, that is silicon, and it is also called as microelectronic circuit or microchip, or you can call it also chip. So IBM 7030. So this computer was made by IBM. So this system was all-purpose computer using 8-bit character word length, it is a byte. So IBM 7030 was made by IBM, and so it was the first transistorized supercomputer, and it was also the fastest computer in the world. IBM 7030 was the fastest computer in the world. So then we will read about microprocessor. So in 1971, Gilbert Hyatt at Microcomputer co-patented the microprocessor. This is the picture of a microprocessor chip. You can see it. So it is an electronic component that is used by a computer, and it is a central processing unit also, that is on a single integrated circuit chip, and it contains millions of small components. So that means it is an electronic device that contains arithmetic logic and control units. So controlling system, and it also performs the functions of a CPU. So microprocessor chip performs the functions of a CPU. So in 1971, Gilbert Hyatt at Microcomputer co-patented the microprocessor. So Gilbert Hyatt was an American electrical engineer, computer scientist, and he was given the right to invent microprocessor. So microcomputer was a personal computer like the laptop, and co-patented means to invent. So Gilbert Hyatt co-patented the microprocessor. That is, he invented the microprocessor, or was given the right to invent the microprocessor. So then Ted Hoff at Intel. Ted Hoff was also a scientist, and Intel means a manufacturing company or a corporation, and this company prepared the first microcomputer. So Ted Hoff at Intel introduced the 4-bit 4004. 4004 is a 4-bit CPU. It was made by the Intel Corporation in 1971, and this was a VSLI, that is very large scale integration of 2300 components. So Intel prepared the first microcomputer. So in the next class we will read about the modern computers like the laptop computers, desktop computers, and palm-top computers. So this much for today. Hope you learned a lot about all the computers. Thank you.